Okay, now we're going to find the coefficient in front of the term that has x to the 7th times y to the 2nd in the expansion of the binomial x plus y parenthesis raised to the 9th power. Now we need to find some pieces for this in order to use the n choose r formula. So the first thing we need to locate is the value of n. Well, to find the value of n, step 1, we're going to compare the standard x plus y to the 9th power to a plus b to the nth power. So n is the exponent on the binomial. N is equal to 9. Now we need to find the r value. Now, x to the 7th times y to the 2nd. What are we going to compare that with? X to the 7th times y to the 2nd is compared to a raised to the n minus r power times b raised to the r power. The reason I'm making this comparison is because it actually does break down to this general form. The first term to the n minus r power times the second term to the r power. Then when you add the exponents together, you always get the power n together. That's the degree of the term. But the point is that the r that we're looking for is the power on the second term in x to the 7th, y to the 2nd, because it's the power on b. So compare the power on y to the power on b. We have r equals 2. Okay, so we have our r value. Now we're ready to find the coefficient that they're asking for by doing n choose r. N choose r, well, in this case, n is equal to 9, r is equal to 2. So it's 9 choose 2. Well, the formula says that that's 9 factorial over 9 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial. So let's see, that's 7 factorial times 2 factorial on the bottom. So to take our shortcut for simplifying this, we'll factor down 9 factorial until we get to 7 factorial. 9 times 8 times 7 factorial, stop, cancel the 7 factorials. And the next line, let's expand the 2 factorial. 9 times 8 over 2 times 1. So simplify your fraction. We get 9 times 4, which is equal to 36. So the answer to the question is 36 is the coefficient of x to the 7th, y to the 2nd in the expansion of x plus y to the 9th power. 36 is our answer. Okay, so there were 3 steps. Find n, find r, and then calculate n choose r for the coefficient. Okay, it's your turn. Find the coefficient of x plus z raised to the 12th power. Oh, n's equal to 12. Expansion for the term x to the 3rd, y to the 9th. X to the 3rd, y to the 9th. Okay, x to the 3rd, y to the 9th. Step 1. Find the value for n by comparing x plus z to the 12th power to a plus b to the nth power. And you get n equals 12. Find r by comparing x cubed y to the 9th to a to the n minus r times b to the r. 9 is equal to r is equal to 9. And step 3, calculate the coefficient we're looking for. N choose r, which is 12 choose 9 in this case. So it's 12 factorial over parenthesis 12 minus 9 factorial times 9 factorial. So it's 3 factorial times 9 factorial on the bottom. So the biggest factorial on the bottom is 9. So let's factor that bigger factorial 12 down to 12 times 11 times 10 times 9 factorial. Stop there and cancel the 9 factorials. Expand the 3 factorial, then cancel the common factors in the fraction. 2 times 11 times 10 is what you have left, which is 22 times 10, 220 is the coefficient on the term x to the 3rd, y to the 9th in the expansion x plus z to the 12th. Oh, I just realized I made a mistake. There's no y here. It's z, z, z. Every place you see a y, replace it with a z, please. Thank you.